Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Still out here on the beautiful Oregon coast. We are at Short Beach, which is north of Tunnel Beach, and it is the peak of high tide right now, and we're going to see what we can come up with. Usually high tide is not the best time to do rock hounding, but we're going to see what we can come up with. This isn't so much of a zeolite beach. It's not as good as Tunnel Beach, but you walk down this little trail here, right? You walk down this little trail, and well, let's look at this boulder, well, not boulder, this rock right here real quick. That is awesome. Look at all of those bugs. That is just screaming to be taken home. Maybe I'll see if, oh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I might have to have Sarah carry this for me. Look at this. That is a beautiful, beautiful bug right there. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what the green stuff is, but it's kind of cool. It might be worth taking at least one, and we'll work on identifying it. So there's also this, I don't know what you'd call that. It's not a pipe, but it's a water discharge thing here at Short Beach. And the water is so nice right now.
Anything, and then we crossed the little water coming down, and I've got these, and yeah, not too exciting.
Throw them in though. See what we can come up with. Very nice. I'm gonna leave this. Well, yeah, and then they just start popping out. Yeah, quite the stretch of beach for Short Beach, or being called Short Beach. Yeah, this one's kind of neat. It's obviously like a green jasper right there on top. Now, if only I can get that agate out of there. Let's try. Let's try to get this agate out. I don't know. Dare I keep going? Maybe we have Sarah do it. You want to try to get an agate out of basalt? Okay, we're going to take this. I'll extract that at home. I just saw something that really caught my eye. Look at that little pocket. I don't particularly want to take this whole rock, but check that out.
I'm surprised they're that good.
Yeah,
the ocean would really wear them down.
The zeolites are incredibly hard. Huh. I wouldn't begin to even start. I don't know how to. That's neat. I don't know what in the world that is. But yeah, that's very cool. What is it?
Agate with really dark spots.
Oh, hey, yeah, you can see it now.
Oh, no, you want that? Worth packing out?
I thought Short Beach was pretty good. We got some zeolites, some jasper, agates that range from that size. I don't want to block your face. That size to that size. Perhaps there's more out here. You know, if we look out, this is high tide. So could there be a lot more if the water was out, you know, another 150 foot, 250 foot, and you're not on the big rocks anymore? Yeah, most likely. I would recommend it. Thoughts?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good beach. It's good. And you can always go to Tunnel Beach and all the other spots. Definitely go check out the website, currently rockhounding.com. I'll have all the things listed up there. Pretty good resource for everybody. And, well, we'll look at these cleaned up back in the shop. Leica, thoughts? I think she's done. We are back from Short Beach, which was right. It was our last stop on the Oregon coast. Mm-hmm. I thought it was an interesting location. It is right north of Tunnel Beach, which I would say Tunnel Beach might be slightly better, but Short Beach had very few people. Tunnel Beach is more popular in that you have like a parking lot and like there's little restrooms and stuff. Short Beach, it's like pull over on the side of the road and walk down this random path.
It is a very, you know, legit path, stairs, but yeah, there's no parking lot.
Yes.
There's no sign, I don't think.
You found a pile of small agates, which that's kind of cool. Like, and you probably didn't even pick up everything that you saw, right?
No, at that point, wasn't. Didn't need all the little ones.
It's nice to have some. I did take this one and I broke some of the matrix away, and I just kind of left it there. I could take it the rest of the way, but
then it would look like those.
I know, then it'd be like
we have that.
It's kind of nice to have it be in its host rock. The little tiny microscope, the digital, is starting to grow on me. I do want to have this thing in a more portable box that can come with us, because now that I'm seeing it with some of these, it looks pretty good. We can kind of randomly grab things here and start to look at them and be like, the upper, let's focus. The upper pieces right there in the top of your screen, that is cliniptolite. To be able to just grab something and do some identification work in the evening on a trip is quite cool. We'll probably have aragonite, those right there in the middle, if I can get it to focus, that hazy white down there. Next to some cliniptolite. But yeah, there's just a lot that can be done with this, and it does make the micro minerals significantly more accessible, I think. What are your thoughts on it, sir, now that you're seeing it? Yeah, right there we have some needled aragonite crystals for sure.
The picture on that is really good. It's very clear. And it's nice to have a little more instant feedback than driving 500 miles and being like, oh, this rock versus that rock had this or that.
So you can do this in the parking lot, or at the tailgate of your vehicle, or at camp at night, well, before you're too far away. This is so much better than like a jeweler's loop. I like the form factor of it.
Yeah, it's cool.
So overall, though, what did you think? I mean, this was kind of the end of our coastal trip.
What did I think of just Short Beach or the entire trip?
Mostly Short Beach, but what about going up and down the coast?
I thought Short Beach was a good stop. Like you said, there's a couple people fishing, but certainly nobody looking for rocks. So always good. I mean, there's always rocks no matter how many people are looking for them, but there's more if there's less
We
people.
were there at high tide, which was about as unideal of a time to go to the beach.
Yeah.
And we still managed to find things.
Sure.
So,
Yeah.
what are your thoughts on doing the central to north coast?
I think if we were gonna do it again, now we would not make every single stop that we did this time. Probably one of the zeolite agate locations and one of the fossil agate beaches would be enough for me.
I agree. If I had to pick, I would probably pick Tunnel Beach over Short Beach, unless I went to Tunnel Beach and there is nowhere to park and tons of people. Like if you're there on the weekend, like a nice weekend, I'd probably go up to Short Beach.
Yeah, they're both nice.
Yeah, and I mean, we're not talking about I don't know the exact distance, but pretty close, and material is relatively similar. I have not processed this material down into micromounts or thumbnails, so you can always go check out the website. The listing will be down below, and as we find, I break it apart and process it down, take photos, all that good stuff. We will have those up there.
We only went to a tiny part of Short Beach too.
Yeah, it's not as short. Like
Not really short.
it's not. I wouldn't call it a short beach, although it is called Short Beach.
Maybe that was someone's name.
Maybe. Well, I think we will leave this one here. Thanks for coming by, everybody, and watching. Go check out the link for this digital microscope. It takes terrible photos, but really good video. And, we'll leave that one there. Thanks.